fashionistas, but also eco-friendly fashionistas.
Period. The topic is plastic.
Yes, plastic is literally in everything. According to the Plastic Pollution Coalition, we consume 1 credit card size worth of plastic every single month. Oh my gosh.
You mean this thing?
Yeah.
Ew.
And in America alone, we produce 30 million tons worth of plastic. So that other 92% ends up in landfills, is burned, or is dumped into the ocean.
Recycle, y'all. Yeah, and you know, I just feel so sorry for the animal species, you know, in the ocean. I mean, they're completely helpless and we're just destroying their homes.
Yeah, it's really sad. I mean, plastic outweighs zooplankton from a ratio of 36-1. And zooplankton is every single species in the ocean at almost a microscopic form.
I bet you didn't know that there's 7 different types of plastic that can be tricked by the common man.
You're using is, if you take a plastic bottle and look at the bottom of it, it has the number of what type of plastic it is, and that you'll see like 1, 2, 3, you know, and the list goes on. So very important for you to look at that so you can know what kind of plastic that you're using.
Yeah, so like the cost that we think we're actually saving is actually being very detrimental to our lives in our future. So I think that's just so important for us to worry about that and take care of that now.
Yeah. Well, what if we made our own plastic?
So as you can see, we have 4 ingredients that are edible, completely edible: cornstarch, water, glycerin, and white vinegar. All of these things can be found online or at your local grocery store. Mixture consistently because it does solidify very fast and you don't want to burn it. So continue to stir until it turns into a silicone-like texture. And then when it's no longer moist, it's more of a gel, clear gel consistency.
So the results are in. We allowed our bioplastics to sit for about 7 days. Now, typically you only need to allow it to sit for 2 days. Or I spreaded it really thick. So the result is it looks like acrylic. So it's really hard and it's thick. And so I hope that you learned a lot.
Things like that. You know, over 40 billion utensils are tossed and used every single year just in America alone.
Wow.
I mean, it's absolutely ridiculous. I think that we should really just start jumping into that. And, you know, maybe we can get a whole challenge to start, you know? Hey, y'all. Okay, so let's jump into this, all right? So I got this cool Teivio silverware, okay? Comes in this really cool box, all right? Okay, when it opens up, look at all the cute colors, all right? It got spoons, it has forks, it has a straw cleaner, that's awesome, straws, and it also has chopsticks, all right? Totally bomb, and I think it's very useful. It's under $15, so go check it out now.
Taking this journey as a conscious consumer, and subscribe and like so that you can stay updated on all the next items that we continue to reduce our reliance on plastic. And always